In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your iPhone to iOS 26.4, step by step. Right now on my hand, this is an iPhone, but you can follow these steps on any supported iPhone model. So let's get started. First, what you're going to want to do is open Settings. Now scroll down a bit and tap on General. Over here, go ahead and tap on Software Update. Now just wait for a few seconds while the page loads. And there you go. The new update should appear on your screen. Right now, my iPhone is showing around 8.57 gigabytes for iOS 26.4. So yeah, this is definitely a large update. This update comes with 8 new emojis, plus new features for Apple Music lovers, including the Playlist Playground feature, where AI can help create playlists, and many more improvements. Now to install the update, go ahead and tap on Update Now. After that, your phone will say Update Requested. Make sure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi network, and also plug your iPhone into a charger, because this process takes time. The entire update may take around 30 to 40 minutes, depending on your region, Wi-Fi speed, device storage, and Apple server response. Just sit back and let the update complete. Now, in case your iPhone gets stuck on any error screen, you can also use a Mac or Windows PC to update your device. Anyways, I hope this video helps you out. If you face any issue, go ahead and leave a comment below. I'll try to help you. Thanks for watching.